If your diesel engine has low power, or if it's hesitating and has EGR codes, come over here. Let me show you what was found on this Cummins engine. If you notice here, they've already replaced the turbo, the actuator, they installed a test EGR valve, they replaced the EGR differential pressure sensor, they removed the mixer housing and cleaned it up. Problem was still active. Let me show you the problem that was found. Is the EGR cooler? It's plugged up. Let me show you how to check for that. Stick a light on one end, see if we see it on the other side. If you're scared of the dark, don't use this method. Check it out, it's pitch black. Uy cucuy. This EGR cooler is gonna need to get replaced. If not already doing so, make sure you like and follow me for more tips.